Need to save an email from Salesforce as a PDF? Since there's no built-in button for this, here's a quick workaround using your browser. First, you're going to head over to Contacts right here at the left side panel. And then from here, you're going to navigate to the activity record in Salesforce that contains the email that you wish to save. So, for example, I'm going to select a contact right here. And then from there, I'm going to select this email function right here. You can enter a subject and send an email, or you can go to Show All Activities to view previously sent emails. Now, once you've opened the email you want to save, you're just going to right-click anywhere on the screen and select Print, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P, Windows, or Command+P, Mac. From there, under Destination, choose Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. Then click Print or Save, and the email will be saved as a PDF file to your local computer. And that's it. That is how you can save a Salesforce email as PDF. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.